is not working. I need to do something about it now. The main reason for this not to work would be a burnt fuse. So let us check. Where is the fuse for this? So here's the place for it. Let us see if I can open it. There you go. So here, these are the fuse. Got it. Sixth one from the left top is the burnt one, so I need to fix that. So let's go. Oh, it's cold. That's a beautiful. That fuse. That is the auto zone. I'm going to go get my fuse. Alright, this is the one. I'm going to get a new one. And then let's check. Hang on there. Got them, and he was so kind enough, he gave it for free. He gave this for free. Love you guys. And let me check this one out. This should work. Nice. Now I need to check if this is going to work. Forgot one thing. Hand sanitizer. It is charging now. Can you see that? This is charging. It worked.